Hey guys, so this video we're going to look at this Letour rechargeable flashlight. They were nice enough to send me this for free so I can make a video showing it to you. A couple of things I really like about it. We'll go over the features and then give it a little test in the dark and see how bright it is. But the first thing I like is how small and compact it is. It's basically the size of a credit card, obviously a little bit thicker, but length width wise about the size of a credit card. Easily fits inside your pocket if you need to. Now the other thing is it does have a belt clip, or I would say a pocket clip on the back side. If you have like a flannel shirt, something with a front pocket on it, boom, this is perfect for illuminating directly in front of you. Now this light up here can be flat like that, or it kind of locks into a 45 position there, or it can go all the way at a 90-degree angle, and then it also pivots almost 360 degrees. I think they said it's 270, but you know, almost all the way around. So we have that, and we also have this light right here. It is USB-C rechargeable, charge port right there. Does have a magnet on the bottom. Do I have anything that is... The screw on the cover is enough to prove there's a magnet there. All right, that worked out well. So we have two buttons on the side. The top button controls this light. The bottom button controls this one. Hit the top button, just whoa, God, woo. That was right in my eyes. I'm telling you what, that is a bright light. You know, sometimes I don't think about those things. I'm busy recording the video and whoo. Boy, I see headlights. Not the kind of headlights I like to look at. So really bright, that's bright. And then if you go down, there is a lower setting. And then strobe alert, strobe alert. We have a strobe. And then it just goes off with the last one. I'm going to turn it this way a little bit. Now I'm going to hit the bottom button. And you can see on solid, we have a red light. We have a blue light. Or we got cop lights. I'm going to turn it off. Now you can run them both at the same time. And one thing, I don't know if this is intentional or not, but especially on the side you can tell, two different hues on the LEDs. You got more of a warm color on the bottom and more of a white on top. I do not know if that's intentional, but that is how it is. Now, if I turn it just a little bit, can you see that? Let's see if I turn that one off. You have an indicator, a battery level indicator there. You can say I just recharged it, so it's at 100%. But then, you know, we got this. We can just push it that way if we want. We can go like that. And that's specific. That's especially useful with the magnet. So we can have it magnet. That's wood. That's not going to work like that. But if you had it on something metal, then, you know, you could turn it this way. You could rotate it. Maybe it's up underneath your hood or something and you need a specific angle. So that is really nice that you can do that. I'm going to wait for it to get dark outside. Then we'll mosey on out and see what we think. Thought this was a good way to do it a little hands-free. Just have it clipped to the front of my hoodie. Turn the camera around, see what I can see. If I move my hand out of the way with the camera, you can see we're nice and bright in here. And this is the only light that is on. There we go. So really bright, hands-free solution. And we can even slap it on the little mini excavator here. As we play with the light, one thing I can tell you that's incredibly annoying about this car, with the key in my pocket, it just constantly makes noise. Every time you walk in the garage, like, what is it doing? I'm not hitting any buttons. Stop it. Stop making noises. You're ruining my video. Again, without it, with the light. I'd go totally outside, but it's freezing out there. At least this is somewhat heated. So there it is, guys, your Letour LED rechargeable light. Bright, compact, couple different modes. Magnetic. Bam. Letour flashlight. Thanks for watching. Creepy guy in the mirror. Can you see that? Freaked me out for a second.